cool ideas for a rainbow party for you and your unicorns! Let's start with inventions. Draw an envelope template with wavy edges on a sheet of paper. Cut it out. Bend it along the line. Print a rainbow pattern. Cut the sheet along the purple line. Place pieces of paper to make a long rainbow. Glue them together. Fold a rainbow stripe. Fasten the rainbow to the envelope. Hide the rainbow with a cloud made out of paper. Use Elmer's glue to attach foam paper letters. Party time! Our party's unicorn control is very strict. You can only get in if you have this rainbow invitation. I wish I could get a card like this. 1 horse, 2 horse, 3 horse, but instead of magical unicorns, I only have regular horses. But we are about to fix it. You will need toothpicks. Cut the tips off with scissors. Hot glue the horn to the horse's head. Do the same with the other 2 toys. Paint the figurines gold. Voila! Regular horses turned into beautiful shiny unicorns. Put them like this. Apply some hot glue on the figurines. Attach a glass dish. The result is an elegant plate for snacks and candies. Fill it with cute, colorful delicacies. Unicorns love bright rainbow treats. A stylish candy bowl is what you need for your favorite unicorn. Regular dishes do not belong in a rainbow party. Take shiny foil and print unicorn outlines. Cut out shapes of different sizes. Glue the unicorns to the dishes. Take some shiny confetti. Decorate the pattern with stars. These dishes will decorate your table and make your guests happy. And if you use disposable dishes that don't need to be washed, that's even better! Every jar dreams of looking like a magic unicorn. You'll need colored foam paper. Draw a triangle on a piece of silver foam paper. Cut it out. Bend it at the middle line. Hot glue it. Make a pyramid. Wrap shiny wire around it in a spiral. Put the horn on a straw. Secure it with hot glue. Draw ears on a sheet of white foam paper. Cut them out. Cut out smaller pieces from brown foam paper with sequins. Glue them together and attach the ears to the lid. Decorate the jar with a flower crown. Draw closed eyes with a permanent marker. Attach a blue heart as a mouth. Glue cheeks out of rhinestones. What a nice unicorn! It's so cute! And now let's make a special festive treat. Cut a ripe kiwi into slices, then cut them into cubes. Put the kiwi pieces in a jar. Pour drinkable yogurt on top. Add some green food coloring to part of the yogurt. Add chia seeds. Mix them in well. Put the yogurt and chia together with the other ingredients. Color the yogurt yellow and add it to the jar. Carefully insert a lid with a straw so that the layers do not mix up. Beautiful! For the next idea, take a sheet of gray cardboard. Cut out pieces like these. Take white acrylic paint. Apply the paint on the cardboard with a sponge. Color small details on both sides. Draw a unicorn on the sheet in pencil. Draw each strand of the bangs. Draw eyes with big highlights. Go over a plastic star on the bridge of the nose. Finish drawing the face and add round cheeks. Paint the bangs. Make some of the strands blue and the rest pink. Beautiful! Color the insides of the ears in a bright shade. Tint the eyes with glitter. Make the star gold. Color the face to match the ears. Go over the outline with black acrylic paint. Color the eyelashes and the eyes. Do you feel like a unicorn makeup artist? Add some blush. Fasten cardboard edges around the perimeter. Use hot glue. Take a foam rubber cone and some gold paint. Paint the cone. Decorate the horn with a thin black spiral. Apply hot glue to the base. Fasten the horn to the cardboard. A tray for snacks is ready. Place a plate for marshmallows in it and decorate the horn with a sweet donut. There is no such thing as too much food. Let's share another idea of a cute rainbow dessert. Take a sheet of shiny foam paper and a cone made out of foam rubber. Wrap the cone with foam paper. Hot glue it. Cut off the excess. Glue a circle on foam paper like this. Now you need a gold cord. Wind the cord around the cone like this. Decorate it with gold stars. Insert a straw into the base of the cone. Take some cotton candy. Put it on the straw. Decorate the dessert with sprinkles. It looks like a piece of rainbow cloud. Delicious! And now take several sheets of shiny foam paper. A black one, a gold one, and 2 lighter ones. Draw ears on small pieces. Cut them out. Make a small cut from below so that the ear bends. Cut eyelashes out of black foam paper using a template. Make one more piece. Cut a twisted horn out of the gold foam paper. Take a foil ball and clear plastic fringe. Use rubber cement to attach the decoration to the ball. Glue the horn on top of the fringe. Attach the ears to the sides. Decorate the horn with roses made out of foam paper. Glue on eyelashes. Decorate the ball with a shiny star. Who's a pretty unicorn? The first rule of being a unicorn, no matter what these creatures look like, they are always cute. And for this idea, take a big piece of cardboard. Cut out a rectangle. Prime the frame with white acrylic paint. Use a foam sponge. Print a caption with hashtags. Decorate it with a unicorn label. Use a glue stick. Glue a horn together out of shiny foam paper. Use hot glue. Decorate it with gold cords. Attach the horn and shiny ears to the frame. Glue on foam paper roses. Decorate with gold stars. Hot glue a stick to the frame. Wow! That's a great idea for a unicorn selfie! Real unicorns love to pose in front of the camera. The photos will turn out fabulous! Here's another idea. Draw a unicorn silhouette on a sheet of foam rubber. Cut it out along the outline. Trace the drawing on a piece of thin foam paper with sequins. Cut it out. Glue gold wool to the unicorn. Attach a mane made out of artificial hair. It's so soft, it's almost magical! Straighten the strands. Glue an eye and a shiny horn made out of foam paper. Fasten the ears. Now take satin ribbons. Hot glue them to the unicorn. What a cute unicorn apron! You can wear it right over your clothes. Doesn't it look amazing? For the next idea, you need purple foam paper with sequins. Draw a triangle on the back. Cut it out. Fold it in half. Hot glue the edges. Fill the cone with polyester stuffing. Attach a circle of foam paper the size of the cone. Decorate the horn with a gold cord. Twist it in a spiral and secure with a drop of hot glue. Draw pieces like these on pink and silver foam paper. Cut them out. Glue them together to make ears. Draw eyelashes on a piece of black foam paper with sparkles. Cut out 2 pieces. And now take a big swim ring. Attach the unicorn horn to it. Use hot glue. Glue the ears on each side. Fasten the eyelashes underneath. Don't forget about flowers. Unicorns need flowers if they are going to shine at a party. And now take a glue stick. Glue the whole surface of the ring. Sprinkle some confetti made out of foil on top. I love it! It's so adorable! My friend burst right into the middle of our rainbow celebration. Wait, isn't this a pool party? Then why did I bring my sunglasses and a swim ring? And there's a regular floor instead of water? Just don't get upset. If there is no water nearby, it means you need to make one yourself. Spread some blue fabric. and a cozy lagoon is at your disposal. Just put on and adjust your glasses and sit on your swim ring. Give me my cocktail. Did you like our ideas for a unicorn party? Would you like to have a party like this at home? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss more fun ideas from Troom Select.